Let's get into a quick meditation. Find a comfortable place and just see you're not disturbed for next few minutes. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in from nose and breathe out from mouth. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. As you breathe normally now, just release with your breath everything that is bothering you. Just imagine your breath. Every breath is going deeper, deeper, and deeper from your upper body flowing down to your lower body part and releasing it out of your body through your feet. Release it to Mother Earth now. Let Mother Earth absorb all the energies, all the worries that is bothering you, that is not serving you any good. Release. Keep breathing. Now imagine a root is coming out of from your feet and connecting to the Mother Earth. Ground yourself and hold the root with your Mother Earth connection firmly and ask Mother Earth to shield your energy, to shield yourself with the divine energy of Mother Earth. Take the energy from the Mother Earth through the feet of yours, through the root, through your feet. Let the energy of Mother Earth go up to your body, covering every body part. Just feel the energy of Mother Earth. It's so soothing, so healing, so calming, and it's moving up, going up to your body parts, covering each body part from your legs to your thighs, to every covering all the muscles, bones, your hips, your lower body parts, your back, your stomach, your chest, your heart, your shoulders, covering the energies flowing through all your hands, your fingers, flowing up now to your neck, your back, covering entire back and moving up to your face, your head, covering your lips, your nose, your forehead, your eyes. All the muscles are getting relaxed slowly with the calm energy of the Mother Earth. And the energy is flowing from above your head to the universe. Now, imagine a white beam of light coming through the universe and entering your body through your crown chakra. A white light just covering you like snow falling on you. It's so soothing, and your body, your mind is just enjoying it. Just feel the energy, feel the love of the snow light in the form of light, and it's covering down and flowing like a stream of water and snow, tingling your body parts and flowing through your body part to the Mother Earth. Just feel the energy channel you are now, connecting the Mother Earth and the universe, and the divine energies flowing through you and to you, and your body, your mind, your soul is just enjoying and experiencing a divine energy feeling that is so joyful. Now, connect with the Mother Earth and expand yourself. And now, imagine you are sitting in middle of a big ground full of grass, little flowers around, and in front of you, a little far away, a big tree is there, and the tree is like covered with white, red, pink, green, yellow, all colorful leaves, and is just shimmering with some lights. Visualize there are so many people around the tree are sitting over there as if they are sitting there and discussing something or waiting for someone to join the discussion. One of the people in the circle just pointing a finger towards you as if the person is calling you to join them there. Then you just stand up and walk towards them, and you may feel amazed to see some similar faces over there in the circle. There might be some unknown faces as well. Just look around and try to see the faces if you know anyone. If you know the person, you can just say a hi or hello or namaste, whatever comes in your heart. Just greet the person and see everyone is looking at you like as if you are surprised. You also look at every face and just exchange a smile of greetings, acknowledge their greetings. Now, see a butterfly, a beautiful blue butterfly is just moving around a person and it just sat on the shoulder of the person. Now, just see, do you know the person? If you know, just say hi again. You can share your emotions, your thoughts, your words, whatever you would like to share. And trying to hear what the person has to tell you. If you want to ask something in particular, you ask the person, or if not, then you may ask the person, okay, what do I need to know right now? Just hear him or her, whatever comes. Just receive the message. Say thank you for the message, or if the person is asking you any question, you may also answer what is coming to you. Once you get the answer, you can say thank you, acknowledge it, and show your gratitude. You may now ask the other people around if anyone wants to share something with you that will be a contribution in your life right now. Any answer you are seeking, any question that you might need to ask, let it just flow. Allow yourself to ask, allow yourself to receive. Be open. Okay, once you receive it, say thank you, show your gratitude, and ask the first person who called you to join there. If that person has anything to share, take his or her sharing as well. Receive the message. Now say thank you for asking you to join them, asking you the question and also sharing their thoughts and sharing their messages to you. And now say them thank you and tell them that it's time for you to go back and take their blessings. You may do namaste or whatever gesture you want to do. Say thank you to each and every one in the circle and tell them you are blessed, you are grateful to meet them. You are grateful that they allowed you to share. You are grateful that they appeared and let them, and also they have let you appear there. See how grateful you are for the conversation you had, for the messages and blessings you received. And now it's time to go back. So take their blessings in your heart and just say goodbye to everyone. It's time to go back and come back to the position you were sitting before. Now, allow yourself sit there for a while and absorb whatever you have received. Invoke the divine light, flow through you like a stream of water, and let that stream flow ahead. Go to those people sitting there around the tree. Let that divine stream flow towards them, and they all are enjoying the water, enjoying the light of the divine, and they are so happy. Feel their happiness. Now just see, slowly it is disappearing before you, and allow yourself to come back to your physical body and be present with yourself from top of your head to your feet. Take a deep breath. You can just allow yourself to be in this space for a while. Now you can move your fingers, move your feet a little, rub your hands, put it on your face, on your arms, and slowly open your eyes as you feel complete. You may need some time to take your time.